Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Hi guys, I've got an update for you. An information is an entertainment gist, and it's a sad one. I don't really like sad news. It's about a popular celebrity couple, though they are not Nigerians. It's about Will Smith and Jada Pinkett Smith, his wife. That's Jada Pinkett Smith. They are reportedly filing for a divorce after 25 years of marriage. You can imagine that 25 good solid years of marriage. What happened? What went wrong? What's going on? They are allegedly citing irreconcilable differences as their reason for their divorce, and internet users, their friends, they have been, reacting to the news about their breakup, about their filing for a divorce. It's really not a good one. And a number of people said they saw it coming, while others blame Jada for the Smith. Only goes, just the other day with Smith, I think you can fight for this marriage now. At least you fought for your wife. Why this comedian guy was, making a jest of her, mocking her, making a comedy out of her, and you have to fight for her. Please fight for your marriage. I love you guys together. That's it about Will Smith and Jada Pinkett Smith's latest report about them filing for a divorce after 25 years of marriage. Only God knows what went wrong. But I pray that you find it in both of you, that you find it in your heart to forgive each other. And if not, I wish you all well. That's it about Will Smith and Jada Smith.